Hello everyone! Welcome back to Tech Savvy Tutorials with Norelle. In our previous videos, we covered a lot about social media, including engagement and goal setting and privacy settings. In today's video, we are going to take a closer look at some of the key social media platforms. Each of these platforms serves a key purpose, and we are going to go deeper into understanding their purpose and strengths and help you choose which one is the right one to meet your needs. Let's dive in. First up is Facebook, one of the oldest and most widely used social media platforms. All right, my friends, this is Facebook. All right. See, Facebook. Facebook is all about community building and event sharing. It allows users to create personal profiles, connect with friends and family, and join groups that share similar interests. You can share updates, photos, and videos with your network or a specific group. One of Facebook's shout-out features is its event function. This allows users to create, promote, and RSVP to events, whether it's a birthday party, a social family gathering, or a business professional seminar. Facebook makes it easy for everyone to be informed about it. Next, we have Instagram, a platform that focuses more on visual branding and storytelling. Instagram is all about sharing videos and photos, making it a platform that is ideal for creatives, businesses, and professionals, and influencers. All right, this is Instagram. All right, Instagram. There we go. The emphasis on aesthetics, that's the way you see things, like visual appeal, art, design. This helps users showcase their personalities and brands in a visually appealing way. With features like stories and reels are short videos, users can share moments in real time or create short, captivating videos to captivate their audiences. Instagram also allows for effective community engagement through likes, comments, and shares. And it has direct messaging, making it a fantastic platform for building relationships. Now let's talk about Twitter. Twitter is a platform known for its real-time updates, and Twitter is known for its brevity and immediacy. This means you can say exactly what you want and as quickly as possible with as few words necessary. Users share thoughts, news, and updates in something called tweets, but you are limited to 280 characters. So make it quick. This format encourages quick interactions and keeps users informed about what's happening right now. Hashtags play a critical role in Twitter. I will explain what hashtags are later. This allows users to follow along and participate in trending, whether it's breaking news or current events or sports events or even popular culture. Twitter is a place to be for real-time discussions. Next, we have LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the platform for professional networking and job searching. All right, this is LinkedIn. See? LinkedIn, there's my name. Getting fuzzy. You move over. See here where it says me? Me. This is where you change your settings. Add whatever you want in here. Voila. LinkedIn is the platform designed specifically for professionals to connect, share, and grow their careers. Users can create detailed profiles showcasing their work experiences, skills, and endorsements, making it easier for potential employers or collaborators to find them. LinkedIn also offers job listings and allows users to directly apply to these jobs through this platform. Additionally, it's a great space for sharing industry insights and engaging in professional discussions. LinkedIn is an essential tool for career growth. And finally, we have TikTok. TikTok is a platform that has taken the world by storm with its short-form video content and creativity. TikTok is the platform that allows users to create 15 to 60-second videos, often set to music or sound bites. TikTok is a platform where creativity has no bounds. It does have community standard rules, but users can participate in challenges, share testimonials, or make videos just to entertain others. The platform's algorithm promotes content based on audience engagement, making it easier for creators to reach a large audience, even if they're just starting out. TikTok is not just for entertainment. It's also becoming a powerful marketing tool for users trying to engage with a younger audience. So in summary, my friends, each one of these platforms serves a unique purpose. Facebook is a great platform for community building and event planning. Instagram is a platform that focuses on visual branding and storytelling. Twitter excels in real-time discussions and updates and conversations. LinkedIn is the platform for professional networking and job searching. And TikTok is the platform for short-form videos, creativity, and entertaining audiences. Understanding the strengths of each platform can help you tailor your social media strategy to align with your goals. In our next series of tutorials, we're going to go deeper into the 5 platforms that I've discussed here. I'm going to show you how to create profiles for each one that will reflect your personalities or your brand identity. And there we have it, my friends. We have reached the end of our of our social media 101 tutorial series with Norelle. And what a journey it's been. Oh my goodness. Over the last 7 videos in this tutorial series, we have covered a lot. From understanding what social media is, to navigating privacy settings, to even what the benefits of social media are for you. So as we wrap things up, I encourage you to take a closer look at what your personal social media goals are. What exactly do you want to learn or want to use social media for? Is it just connecting with loved ones and friends, staying up to date in their lives and letting them stay up to date in yours? Or do you want to build a personal brand? Or do you just want to stay up to date in what's going on in the world? Stay current with the news. Stay up to date with politics. I don't. Setting your goals and understanding what you want to achieve with social media is crucial before you decide what platforms work best for you. Now, like I said earlier, my next series of tutorials, I'm going to make a series of 5, and I am going to dive deeper into the 5 platforms that I've discussed previously. We will discuss how to create effective profiles. We are going to learn how to engage with our audience and utilize each platform's unique features to achieve your goals. Whether you're interested in mastering Instagram or using LinkedIn for professional networking, or TikTok for creativity and engaging content. We are going to go into depth and we're going to cover it all in detail. Now I'm done. Before you go, my friends, I would really love your support. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. So if you like them, if you find them helpful, please give it a thumbs up, like my videos, and subscribe for my new tutorials that are coming up. And share it with your friends or loved ones or another senior that you think would benefit from my tutorials. I would really appreciate that. Thank you for spending time with me today, my friends, on this journey of social media. I can't wait to continue exploring these social media platforms. And if you have any questions or there's something that you would like me to make a tutorial on, a topic that you are having problems with, I would love to help you out with that in another tutorial. Until next time, my friends, keep learning, stay connected, and practice, practice, practice. Knowledge is power, my friend. I will see you in the next tutorial. Hope you have a fantastic day.